We're going to take a look at using the Ecodur1 patch and repair kit to repair holes made by cutting core samples. You can cut core samples for a variety of reasons, and there's a few different ways that we can use this product to repair them. So we'll take a look at a few of them. Now this is already mixed according to the instructions that you can find in a different video. But before we get started, we always want to start with a clean work surface. So you just blow all the foam dust out of there. This isn't a perfect analog of a roof setup, but it's a pretty good mock substrate. So now we'll cut our patch and repair kit, kind of slam them down so that they'll stay put, and then get that off. For this first one, let's say that we are not replacing the core. We're going to collect that, take it back to the lab for some further analysis or something that way. So for this first one, we're just going to flood the core area with the Ecodur1. Now, all Ecodur products will cure at the same rate regardless of the thickness to which they're applied. So there's no maximum thickness, and you can fill that all the way in. It does not require off-gassing or evaporation to cure. So now I just want to make sure we don't have any air bubbles trapped in there. And we'll get this good and in contact with the substrate there. And there you have it. Leave it proud. That way, if there was any chance of water incurring, it's not going to. And there you have it. That's maybe the easiest process, especially again, if you're going to collect the sample for further analysis. Another way is to get a bit of Ecodur into the hole. And then we're just going to take our brush, get that around all the sides here. And we're going to replace that core, just squishing that right into there. So now we've left no voids. We've got everything back where it belongs. So with that, just go over top again. Get rid of any debris that came with that core sample there. There you go, that's option number 2. And option number 3, let's start by putting this core right back in there. And then I'm gonna put some product down over top. Now that could be good enough, but I don't like leaving anything in with potential motion there, and since we don't have anything holding that core down in there, I want to go over this and reinforce it. So we're just going to take a pre-cut piece of Titex T272 and embed that into there. Now, just coat over top of that. If you want to make it nicer, you can tape off lines, anything that way. Sometimes a combination of these is going to be what's right for you in the field too. So it doesn't have to be exactly one or the other. They all are effective ways of sealing that core and giving it a permanent seal so that you're not making the roof worse while you're doing your inspections.